Foundations in building construction. Full explanation 1. What is a foundation? A foundation is the structural base that transfers the load of a building safely into the ground. It supports the entire weight of the structure, dead loads, lev loads, environmental loads like wind or earthquake, and ensures the building remains stable, level, and dry. Why foundations are important? Prevent building settlement or sinking, resist earth movement, moisture, or temperature changes. Spread load evenly over a large area to prevent structural failure. Anchor the building against uplift or lateral forces like wind or quakes. Provide durability and resilience to the structure. 2. Components of a foundation system. A foundation is not just concrete in the ground. It's a system made of several parts. Key components. Footing. The lowest part, made of concrete, distributes the load from columns or walls to the soil. Can be pad, strip, or mat, foundation wall, or pier. Vertical element that supports the building above and transfers load to the footing. Soil subgrade. The natural or prepared ground beneath the footing. Plinth beam in some buildings. Connects columns at plinth level. Resists differential settlement. Damp-proof course DPC. A horizontal barrier to block moisture rising into the building. Backfill. Soil or gravel placed around foundation walls after construction. Drainage system. Includes perforated pipes and gravel to divert water away from foundation. Waterproofing membrane. Prevents groundwater from penetrating foundation walls. 3. Classification of foundations. Foundations are generally divided into two main types. Shallow foundations. Used when load-bearing soil is close to the surface, typically within 1.5 meters to 3 meters. Types of shallow foundations. A spread footing / isolated footing. Individual pads of concrete under each column, used in RCC frame structures. Size depends on the column load and soil bearing capacity. D-strip footing, a continuous strip of concrete under load-bearing walls. Used for residential or low-rise buildings. Width is based on the load and soil. See combined footing. One footing for 2 or more columns when they're close together or near a property boundary. D-raft mat foundation, a thick concrete slab covering entire building footprint, used when soil has low bearing capacity, loads are heavy, or uneven basement is needed, distributes load evenly, reduces differential settlement. 2. Deep foundations. Used when good soil is deep below the surface 5 meters to 60 meters, or the structure is very heavy. Types of deep foundations. A pile foundation. Long slender columns, steel, concrete, or timber-driven or bored deep into the ground. Transfers loads to a deeper, stronger layer of soil or rock. Used in weak surface soil high-rise buildings.